crawdad paddle tail on it. And I got it at a mystery tackle box, and we're using a Bass Pro DBS bait caster. And we're gonna fish over there. And then we might move over there. Let's see it. Catch you when we get down to the lake. And changing plans, frog. And we're going to the bridge. Unhook it. I caught a pretty nice bass over there. Oh. I might have to switch to this side. He missed it. So I'm trying to fish it around. Oh, there's a bass looking at it. I missed him again. I'm gonna take one last cast out there, and then I'll take one over there. And we might change spots. I like to fish here in the summer, not the winter. Take one last cast right here. Okay. Gotta let it sink a little bit, because then I don't think it's coming up for it. Okay, changing spots. We're going over there. I hope I catch something over 10 pounds, but I doubt it, and it's gonna be a little tricky. I don't know if y'all know, but I had surgery last week, and it's gonna be tricky. I have restrictions. I can't pick up anything over 10 pounds, so I do hope, though, to catch something over 10 pounds. I'll be glad. I don't care about surgery. I didn't catch anything.